Welcome guys to my new course on FlutterFlow. In this course, we are going to discuss about how to create an e-commerce app from scratch, and that too without any coding knowledge. So creating an e-commerce app is not an easy task, and that too with the help of coding is very difficult one. So here comes FlutterFlow in picture. With the help of FlutterFlow, you can create any kind of app without any coding knowledge. So if you are new and don't have much coding experience, then FlutterFlow is the tool for you. With the help of FlutterFlow, you can launch any kind of app on Play Store, App Store, and also on the web. So in this course, I have prepared 5.4 hours of high quality learning content for you. You will get to learn everything about FlutterFlow from basic to advanced step by step. I have explained everything step by step, from setting up the project, adding data into Firebase, handling admin dashboard, integrating Razorpay payment gateway to collect the payments from users, creating custom functions, handling complex logics in add to cart, creating user profile, managing data into admin dashboard, tracking user orders, and everything you need to learn about grocery delivery app in FlutterFlow is covered in this course. So if you are really interested in exploring FlutterFlow, this is a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee course. So I would encourage you to take the step today and start learning FlutterFlow from today itself. Okay guys, so see you in the course. Join today itself.